Other ways to say, "Do you understand?" You might often say, "Do you understand?" to ask if someone has heard and understood you on a particular matter. In this lesson, iGo10 would like to bring you common alternatives to say, "Do you understand?" in English. Listen to the phrases and repeat them to practice your English speaking. Firstly, you can be polite and focus on yourself and the topic rather than on the listener with some expressions such as, "Am I making sense?" "Am I making sense to you?" "Am I making sense here?" "Am I getting my point across?" "Am I explaining this clearly?" "I hope I've explained myself well." Or, "How clear was I?" You can also use other polite expressions to ask if the person understands what you mean, such as, "Does that make sense?" "Does that make sense to you?" "Are you okay on that?" "Are you following me?" In more casual settings or close relationships, there are other alternatives to "Do you understand?" such as, "Did you get that?" "Did you catch that?" "Do you know what I mean?" "Know what I mean?" "Are we on the same page?" "Is that clear?" "Do you get me?" "You get me?" "You feel me?" "Don't you see?" "Get it?" or "Got it?" "Understand?" or "See?" If one asks you, "Do you understand?" how should you reply? If you do understand what he or she means, then you can say, "Yes, I get it." "I do," or "I have." "Certainly." Or you could use the more informal, "Sure." "Yep." "Yeah." In case you don't really understand what he or she means, you can say, "I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that." "I'm sorry, I didn't get that." "Could you say that again?" "Sorry, I missed that." "No, sorry, nothing." "Sorry, what?" If you were asking a second time, you can add "still" or some other modifier. "I still didn't get that." "I missed that again." "Sorry, one more time?" So now you know various ways to ask, "Do you understand?" in English. Thank you for learning with iGo10.